Hey guys, I'm David, back at Blade Show for the first time in 4 years, on the hunt for amazing knives, interesting people, old friends, and cool stuff like this.
Here at Blade Show 2026 with Kyle at Worksharp.
How we doing?
You guys make sharpeners and what?
We make some knives
you
now,
make knives now? I didn't even know that till I got here. So we got a really innovative knife platform here. You want to tell us about what you got?
Absolutely, yeah. So it started out with the RMX. So this is a magnesium handled knife. You can get the blade shape in a reverse tonto or a drop point.
Beautiful.
In 3V or M390. People really like this platform because you can convert it from manual to an automatic opening as well. But what we're really excited about here at the show is to show you the next iteration of that, our second knife, which is the Madron. What's cool about the Madron that's different from the RMX is we went from a magnesium handle to this aluminum, and we're actually machining that aluminum here in-house in Oregon. So really big step for us to bring some of that manufacturing process back in-house and get a little more control over how these knives come out. What's cool about them, like I said earlier, is that you can convert them. So this one right out of the box is in a manual configuration. You have to push the button to open it, right? You can flick it, you can do that sort of thing. But what's cool is you can take this pivot out and replace it with this pivot here, and now you're set up for an automatic as well. So that's the innovation that we brought to this knife category, is being able to change it from manual to automatic.
So you got a piece? Does it come with a knife? Like how does that,
so
how does that all work?
everything you need to convert the knife from manual to auto comes with it. So you'll get it out of the box, it'll be in manual configuration. You're like, man, I want to switch it to auto. It's a one screw that you have to take out. You don't even have to take this side off. You pull the pivot out, you drop in your auto pivot, as you can see here.
Oh yeah.
It's a little groove that it drops into, and you're off and running with auto. So whatever state you're in, whether they approve of manuals or autos, your knife should work just fine.
Do you get this whole kit when you buy one of these?
You get an oops kit, you get the auto, and you get the tool for doing the conversion, which I set somewhere.
So you can deploy it any way you want?
Exactly, yep, exactly. Yep, there's the tool. So the little tool that comes with it as well. What's cool about the knives as well is the price point. So this is an integral handle, and you're getting the integral in the Madron for $180, and you're getting the magnesium for $140. So I challenge anyone that comes by the booth today, go find me another integral sub 200. If you can do it, I'll give you a free hat.
All right, you mentioned the word. Some of our guys aren't going to know what integral is.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what
integral means that the handle's one piece construction. So what you'll see in a lot of knives is they stack together. There you go, perfect example right there.
So you got scales and you got...
And then you got a liner on the inside as well. You got liners, and all this has to come together to build the knife. Well, the handle here is all one piece, and so all we have to do as far as putting it together is worry about the pivot there. And so there's a lot less to go wrong. You can actually get in and tear your knife apart, but we have it to where you can drop in this cartridge. All you have to do is one screw. We give you the tool and everything. You come in, take this screw out. That side drops out. This guy. All right, so screw back in there.
Look at the ball bearings.
So this side never has to come apart. You just take this little notch right here. There's a groove you can see down in there.
I see the groove, yeah.
Get in where you fit in. Drop that guy in. Give you this little tool. And then you're just gonna turn this. You're gonna feel it drop in once. That's the first position for automatic. I like to give a little more snap, so I go to the second position, flip this over, grab our screw. And it's an auto.
Dude, that is brilliant.
How cool is that?
Yeah.
So you can tear your knife down, put it back together. Most people are terrified to take all these parts off their knives and work with them. So
got you. This is brilliant. I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
This is patented, right? This is
the
original innovation.
This is all Worksharp.
Guess what? Worksharp makes knives.
That's right, we're here, baby.
All right, where can people find you?
You can find us at worksharptools.com.
Sweet. Kyle, thanks, bro.
Awesome, thanks for coming by.
Hey guys, I'm jumping in here real quick to tell you about my new knife, the MSK1 Elite X, that's live on Kickstarter right now. You obviously love knives, so if a versatile, field-proven, fixed blade survival knife that can chop, cut, carve, crush, drill, defend, and get you safely home sounds interesting, go check it out. I really appreciate it. Links are in the bio. Thank you so much.